Introducing the Milwaukee M28 Industrial Pressure Washer, now available from IP4U. Built for powerful cleaning performance, the M28 delivers an impressive 3,000 watts of power, with a 220-volt operating system. It offers up to 250 bars pressure, with a water flow rate of 8.5 liters per minute. Compact, powerful, and designed for demanding cleaning applications. Now, let's take a closer look at what you get inside the box. First, we have the foam bottle, designed for applying detergent and creating a rich layer of foam during cleaning. Next is the water inlet filter, which helps filter the incoming water before it enters the pressure washer. Following that is the extension rod. And here we have the hose. Also included is a microfiber cleaning cloth. Moving on, we have the spray gun. We can easily control the water flow from the spray gun as per your requirement. For a detailed demonstration of the water flow control and the Thor pressure washer in action, please watch our full Thor pressure washer video. Pressure adjustment knob, allowing you to control the water pressure according to your cleaning needs. Next, we have the high pressure hose, designed to handle the machine's powerful water pressure and provide a secure connection between the pressure washer and spray gun. And now, we come to the main unit. The Milwaukee M28 Pressure Washer is carefully protected inside the packaging to ensure safe delivery. The distinctive Milwaukee design, compact body, and robust construction give it a professional industrial appearance. Taking a closer look at the body, the machine features a practical and compact design while housing a powerful pressure washing system. The controls and connections are positioned for convenient operation. This robust pump system is designed to deliver the high-pressure performance expected from an industrial-grade washer. Finally, the package includes the user manual, providing the necessary instructions for safe and proper operation of the machine. And that completes our unboxing. For more details and product inquiries, contact IP4U, Industrial Products for You. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with us.